We got a cute visitor in our back garden. It's a blackbird chick. I'm trying to feed her with dried worms. I didn't know what to feed at that time.
Come on. There. She only got one eye, it seems. Oh no. She only got one eye. Oh no. Let me see. Come here. Come on, you. Or is it not opened yet? I don't know. I can only see one eye.
Is she by the lion?
Yeah?
Is she by the toy lion?
Yeah.
Okay then.
She didn't like the dry worms, so we gave her some juicy worms, and my daughter is helping me.
Kitty.
Yeah, Kitty, super. No, she's gonna jump off.
Madi, inge the pokote.
No, she likes it. Let her sit. Let her sit. Let her sit.
So today when I came back home after work, she is covered in spider web. I think she's going under every single bush, and she couldn't walk or see. Everything, her face, her feathers, everything was covered in spider web. So she's so cute. I think in few days she will walk and then she fly away.